Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Lance from NerfThis.TV again, and today we are having a look at this, the Blue Raspberry mobile microphone. I've been testing this with my iPad for a few days now, and I must admit I'm fairly impressed. But first, the obligatory sped up unboxing. Obviously it's made by Blue, the same guys that make the Blue Yeti. I've actually got the two paired up right next to each other. I'm going to do a few sound tests so that we can see the difference in quality between what basically is rated as one of the better USB microphones available today for podcasters and well, anything really, against the little Blue Raspberry mobile microphone. So it says premium microphone. Its build quality is really good, apart from the two little plastic dials on the sides, which seem to off-put for a little bit from the rest of the build quality. It comes with a nice stand, which I've taken it off to put onto the overhead here so that we can do our test. But it's a foldable stand, and it even comes with a nice little bag to put it into. The other thing about it that's quite unique is it comes with a cable not only to plug into a USB-A, which is pretty standard, but it also comes with a cable to plug into a lightning port. So you can plug this thing directly into, say, your iPad, open LumaFusion, and do a voiceover of your video right there and then, which is what I actually wanted to use it for. It has this whole little leather finish on the front, leatherette I suppose you could call it, which is actually very premium looking and looks pretty retro, I think is the word I'm looking for. It has these two little dials on the side. The one is the volume for the pass-through earphone connection, and the second one they say is a mic level and mute control. So I would imagine this is for boosting the input. Okay, so let's get to some testing. I'm going to test at approximately 30 centimeters away from the microphones. I've taken the pop filter away from the Blue Yeti so that we can get sort of an apples for apples type of comparison. And I have set the gain, I think you could call it, of the Blue Raspberry to about 50%. So this is a audio test speaking directly into both the Blue Yeti and the Blue Raspberry at approximately 30 centimeters. So this is a audio test speaking directly into both the Blue Yeti and the Blue Raspberry at approximately 30 centimeters. This is an audio test with the Blue Yeti on the one side and the Blue Raspberry on the other side at approximately 30 centimeters with no pop filters and no filtering whatsoever in post-processing. This is an audio test with the Blue Yeti on the one side and the Blue Raspberry on the other side at approximately 30 centimeters with no pop filters and no filtering whatsoever in post-processing. As you can see, the quality of the Blue Raspberry is pretty good for the size of it, and obviously the portability is what you're actually paying for. The build quality, I think it should stand the test of time, as it were. But I'm a little bit worried about these little plasticky knobs on the side. But the stand that is the mobile stand actually protects it. When you fold it in, it folds in with the stand along the sides, and those shouldn't get bashed or beaten too much when you put it in the bag and throw it into your camera bag or whatever the case may be. Overall, I'm pretty impressed, and for what I want to use it for, on the go voiceovers and that type of thing, this is a pretty good option. The size is great. As you can see, it's really small compared to something like the Blue Yeti, and that at the end of the day is what counts. I'm getting good quality and it's mobile. So thank you for watching this. I hope you found it useful, this quick introduction to the Blue Raspberry. If you did like it, please subscribe, like, hit the little bell icon so that you can get notifications. I'll also put affiliate links down on the bottom so that you can go and check out the pricing on the Blue Raspberry mobile. And I'll catch you on the next one. Bye bye.